Look at me. Look closely. You think you are free because the cage is invisible. You trade your hours for paper. You think time is money. But that's the first lie they taught you in school. Down there in the rain, you run on the wheel, working harder every year, yet your plate gets smaller. Why? Because the game isn't broken, my little mouse. The game is fixed. In 1920, $1 bought you a feast. Today, it barely buys you a crumb. You call it inflation. We call it the Great Robbery. And the robbers don't wear masks. They wear suits. Imagine if I took your milk, added 50% water, and sold it to you for the same price. You'd call me a criminal, but when the central bank prints trillions out of thin air, they call it quantitative easing. It sounds smart, doesn't it? Here's the truth that hurts. Your savings are not melting away by accident. We are melting them on purpose. And if you think that's bad, wait until you see what we are planning for your bank. Yak your account next year. You think the bank lends you money that they actually have? Cute. When you sign that loan for your little mouse hole, the bank doesn't open the vault. They simply type numbers into a ledger. Poof. Magic money created from debt. The vault is empty, my friend. It's called fractional reserve banking. Look it up if you dare. But every time we conjure fake money for us, the real money in your pocket buys less cheese. You work harder to chase prices that we push higher. It's a treadmill you can never get off. We move the pieces, we inflate the bubble, and you pay the price. And when the bubble pops, when the panic starts, we don't lose. The government bails us out with your taxes. Heads we win, tails you lose. Once upon a time, money was real. Every dollar was a receipt for gold stored in a vault. But gold is heavy, gold is limited, and we wanted unlimited power. So in 1971, we changed the rules. We severed the link between the dollar and gold. Suddenly the restraints were gone. We could print as much as we wanted. Money became fiat, Latin for let it be done. It is paper backed by nothing but your faith in us. You work for paper that we print for free. Think about that. We exported this inflation to the world. A global tax that nobody voted for. Debt became the new gold. The more debt you have, the richer we get. While you save pennies, we print millions. The game isn't just rigged, the game is over, and we won. But there is a way out of the maze, a backdoor we don't want you to find. Stop saving in paper that we print. Start owning things we cannot print. Gold, land, and the new mathematics, the unbreakable code that no bank can control. The only way to win the game is to stop playing by our rules. Take the key, become your own bank. I have told you too much already. The other cats won't be happy. If you want to survive the crash that is coming, press that button. Ring the bell. Don't miss the next briefing. This is Psyche Hackers. Consider yourself awakened.